What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will explain you what is Numpy. So let's begin. So guys, here you can see that I have a picture which is very small. You can see the pixels. So here you can see the pixel, and pixels. So guys, each pixel you have, it have some value. You know that computer understand only numbers. They don't understand these colors. So each pixels have some values. For this gray color, we have some values which computer can understand. So these values stored in the array. So let me show you how this is stored. So it's a three-dimensional array. It's you can see that the arrays can be three-dimensional, but you can see that it is a two-dimensional. This and this. It is a 3 into 5. It is a three. You can see that it have 3 pixels here and 5 pixels here. So what we can do, you can see that 1 comma 2 comma 3, you can assign the value like this. 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 5. And if you print this out, you will get the array like this. So it is same as that of the this pixels, but it is but if we have a big picture, like let's say pictures like we have today, it will be very difficult for us to store the value like this. So here the numpy come. So numpy is basically a library which is used in image detection. It is a set of array. We store the value of the image. In the more tutorials we will use this numpy to detect images and use in OpenCV. I will tell you what that is in next tutorials. But for now, I will tell you how you can use it. So first of all, we will import in our command prompt get install numpy. Okay, I have already installed it. Then we will simply import numpy. After that, we will create a variable. Let's say arr equals to numpy, and we will use a function called range, and here we will put the value of array, let's say 27. Then we will put arr. If you run, we will get the array like this, but it is not it cannot be used in image detection because it is a one-dimensional array. So how we can convert it into two-dimensional, three-dimensional? Let me show you. N equals to arr dot the shape here, let's say 3 comma 9, and here you can see it has been converted into 2D, two-dimensional array. And let's see how we can convert it into three-dimensional. If you don't know what is 2D, 3, you can ask me below in the comment box, but I will give you the brief introduction about this in some more tutorials. If you want that, you can tell me below in the comment box. Okay guys, for three-dimensional, we will use 3 comma 3 comma 3 because we have 27 variables. You can see that the cube root of 3 is 27. And if I print this out, you can see it has been converted into three-dimensional. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorials, I will explain you how you can convert this array into this simple image. So stay tuned with me.